Welcome back, beautiful souls, to the Saturn Conjunct Neptune in Aries healing portal. If this message found its way to you, it's not by accident, it's alignment. We've traveled through awakening, we've moved through healing, we've released illusions, confronted limitations, and answered the call of our becoming. Now we enter phase 4. This is no longer about who you were. This is no longer about who you're trying to become. This is about embodying the person you came here to be. Saturn is teaching us that dreams require structure. Neptune is reminding us that structure without soul is empty. And Aries is asking us one powerful question. Will you have the courage to become who you truly are? The collective is standing at a threshold between vision and reality. The old identity is dissolving and the future self is emerging. This phase is about alignment in action. It's about living the dream instead of chasing the dream. It's about trusting yourself enough to move forward before every answer appears. You're not rebuilding your life, you're revealing your life. The one your soul has been guided towards all along. Take a deep breath and place your hand on your heart and repeat after me. I am no longer waiting for my future. I am becoming it. Welcome to phase 4. Let's begin. And today's healing portal lesson is called Rest is Part of the Process. And if this message reached you, it's because you are learning that rest is not weakness, laziness, or failure. Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries reminds you that sustainable growth requires balance. Constant pushing, thriving, and overextending eventually disconnects you from your body, your intuition, and your emotional well being. Aries encourages forward movement, but even fire requires fuel. Neptune invites restoration, reflection, and emotional replenishment. Saturn teaches that rest is part of discipline because it allows you to continue your journey with clarity and strength. Rest is not stopping your progress, it is supporting it. The illusion dissolving here is the belief that your worth is tied only to productivity. In truth, your nervous system, body, and spirit all require periods of recovery in order to function at their highest level. Pay attention to signs of exhaustion, irritability, or emotional overwhelm. These are signs asking for care and restoration. Giving yourself permission to pause allows your mind to reset and your energy to rebalance. Rest recreates space for insight, healing, and renewal, and motivation. And beautiful souls, as we close today's healing portal, remember this journey is not about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you have always been beneath the conditioning, beneath the fear, beneath the expectations, and beneath every version of yourself that was built simply to survive. Saturn and Neptune in Aries are teaching us that the true healing is not passive. It is a sacred act of embodiment. Every lesson in this portal has been designed to help you move from dreaming about your future into actively becoming the person capable of living it. If you've been walking this healing portal with us, know that each offering on this channel has been intentionally created to support a different part of your transformation. Saturn, Neptune, and Aries healing portal provides the daily lessons, practices, journal prompts, affirmations, and spiritual embodiment work needed to integrate these energies into your everyday life. Our weekly collective reading helps you understand how the current energies are unfolding within the collective consciousness and how these larger spiritual themes may be influencing your personal journey. The weekly Saturn Neptune cosmic reading takes us deeper into the astrology, helping us understand the lessons, challenges, and opportunities emerging as Saturn structures what Neptune has inspired. And our zodiac forecasts allow you to explore how these energies are specifically activating your sign and your personal path, giving you a more individualized perspective of the collective transformation taking place. So, together, these offerings create a complete map for navigating the extraordinary chapter of awakening, healing, embodiment, and conscious creation. And if you've been enjoying this journey, don't forget to listen to my song, I Am the Dream Becoming True. This song was created as an anthem for this Saturn, Neptune, and Aries journey and serves as a reminder that the future you have been praying for, visualizing, and working towards is already beginning to emerge through you. You can stream I Am the Dream Becoming True on all major music platforms worldwide. Let it become your affirmation. Let it become your reminder. Let it become your declaration. Shout it to the rooftops. Yes, because you are not waiting for your dream, you are becoming it. And if you feel called to explore your own journey on a deeper level, personalized readings are available through my website at healingexchange.net. Whether you're seeking guidance regarding your spiritual path, relationships, career, life purpose, personal growth, or navigating major transitions. These private readings are designed to provide insight tailored specifically to your unique journey. So, thank you for spending this sacred time with me. Thank you for showing up for yourself, and thank you for choosing healing. Until next portal, be gentle with yourself. Trust the process and remember life is about the journey, not the destination. And you, beautiful soul, are the dream becoming true. And this is Empress Shay. You have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. And thank you for visiting Healing Energies with Empress Shay. Have a wonderful day.